Hey art lovers, welcome to Uzats. Let's slow down, create and feel our best today. We will be creating a tulip garden today using watercolors inspired by the beautiful Tulip Garden Festival in Kashmir during springtime. So let's begin with a soft sky. Using light pink tones, gently wash the top of your paper. Blend it slowly into a warm orange near the horizon, adding a bit of yellow too. Keep your strokes light and fluid. While the background is still slightly damp, add a hint of yellow. Let the painting dry while I go for a green tea break. Now add colors to the fields using yellows, pinks and a touch of orange. Dab small dots along the rows to represent the blooming tulips. Keep it loose and playful. This is where your painting comes alive. I had to speed this video up because of time constraint, but guys, when you paint, please slow down. We are here to create and feel our best. Next, let's move to the field. Using a mix of green shades, start creating long, soft strokes from the bottom towards the horizon. These strokes will form the perspective lines of your tulip garden. Don't worry about perfection, just let your brush move freely. Let's add some simple details near the horizon. A soft silhouette of trees. To add depth, go back to a slightly darker green and define a few of the rows gently. This will create contrast and make the field look more structured. Paint the tulip flowers now, concentrating at the edges and going lighter as you go deeper into the garden. Finally, a few birds in the sky and maybe a small windmill to complete the peaceful landscape. And there you have it, our own tulip garden inspired by Kashmir in spring. Take a moment to pause, breathe and enjoy what you've created to feel your best. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to follow Uzats for more mindful DIY art. Do like, comment and share my videos. See you in the next creative break. Bye.